Hi, my name is Joshua Christian Stioso, and this is my ITGS internal assessment. My project is to create a website which is called the Javana Seafood Restaurant. So there are three advanced techniques that I use, which are manipulation of graphics, manipulation of CSS, and creation of original animation which combined with navigation using frames and customized buttons. So firstly, to create the to create to create the manipulated graphics. Since the pictures that provided by Mr. Tiwang is large file, so we need to resize the pictures. To make the picture small, we can choose the files. So for example, this file, we open it with Microsoft Office 2010. After that, we can edit the picture and resize the picture. So for example, to create a thumbnail, just like in the website, in here, we can resize the picture into 125 times with 56 or 156 times 56. And in here, we can see that the picture is small. This means that the file format is also smaller, and thus the website can run faster. After that, we can save the picture in different folder, which is called the thumbnails. These we can rename with the T on the back, so save. And as we can see, the image is small in here, and therefore the image can be run quickly and contain less size. Secondly, we can create the manipulation of CSS by making codes, the CSS codes, which are in here. In here, we can choose the position which is fixed or not fixed, the position from top, left, and the width and height, also the background. So we can see in here, for example here, the background is quite transparent. This means that the opacity is not 1 but 0.5. And also the logo image. In here, we can choose the width is 200 because in here, from here to here, it's 200, and the margin means the black size from the logo to this. So in this case, I choose 10 pixels. The CSS also determines the size of the font. As we can see in here, the title has 80 pixels big, and the font weight, text shadow, padding is also the characteristic of the words that we can choose. So for example, we can choose the font Aubrey because that is the font that I like to be presented in this website, and then we can choose the font width is bold since this is the title. And then for smaller titles, we can use smaller font size, so it has a distinction between which one is the title and which one is the words in here, like this. Not only that, we can also choose the opacity of this by choosing in the not choosing but to select and write opacity 0.1, so the opacity is very small, as we can see in here. Thirdly, we can see the third advanced technique, which is navigation using frames and customized patterns, also combined with the creation of original animation by using JavaScript. So in here, the navigation, if you can see it quite clearly, it appears to have black every time you hover your mouse on the top of the words. So this can be created by the codes. So you copy the codes, and this is when you have finished copying the codes. And as we can see, the animation can be created. Secondly, these images, if we click it, it can have this. So this can be also created by using the JavaScript and using this in the JavaScript. If you want to go left or right or click, the animation can work by using JavaScript. So JavaScript can determine the animation, and as we can see, these are all created in Dreamweaver, and we can check in the Dreamweaver whether it's working or not. So in this case, it worked because the animation can run properly, and also the navigation from each pages can also work. Thank you.